NanoDegree. Get to it. As you can see here, this is the GitHub repository that I've built for the project. It shows you all of the documents, the README, and the path for the test for the GitHub actions. In here, you will see the status of all of the pass, test, and build that were performed. On here, you will see all of the code as stated. I will also show the pipeline within the Azure DevOps. And we also go ahead and show the Azure portal, which will give you the link of the websites and also showing any data of the process and others. And on the other page too, you will now see all of the documents that I have cloned, as you can see here, and everything has been built in Visual Studio, tested, and deployed. You will see the changes made from this page here, going to GitHub for their testing and making sure that all of the tests goes well. And from there, we'll also do another test within Azure, but it will also deploy the applications, which will then see the changes. As you can see, this is the current page. It shows version 4. The page here shows that the header is on level 1. I will go ahead and change that to level 3, and I will also change the versioning here to version 5. All right. As you can see here, this all has been cloned. I will go ahead and go to the app.py here that you can see. I will go to the header right in here. Instead of showing 1, I will change to 3. And also the versioning will now be 5. I'll save my document. And here we'll do a git status to make sure that the app.py will be committed. And we'll go ahead and change here 5 committed. Oh, so let's see here. So what we have to do also is the git add.py. Go, and we'll then commit. You can see it has stored it on a temp cache, and from there I will do a git push. All right, and as you can see here, it has made the changes and now being pushed. We'll then switch back to my browser here. We're going to GitHub, go to the actions. As you can see here, now the process has started here. It shows the version 5, and here you are. And all it will do is go to the process of the build, make sure everything goes well, and also test it to Pilot and PyTest. As you can see, this is a fairly simple, so it will go quite quickly. And as I mentioned also, we'll then go to the pipeline within Azure. If I go ahead and just click here to refresh it, as you can see now, the process has also started within Azure, and it will be a asynchronous. So it will be doing both of the build and test on both environments, which is GitHub and Azure Development. All right, as you can see here, the action has been completed. It shows green, like pass. And now, as you can see, it's still processing a bit for the verification. It still shows that it has passed. Right. And in here, it will show you the build stage. As you can see, it is still building for me here. and it has cleared the build job. And what it will do now is kickstart the deployment of the application. And there you go. It has started the deployment. As you can see, you made already. As you can see here, it has been successful. Currently, just cleaning up your of archives documents. As you can see here, it has provided informations for the deployment logs. As you can see on this here, it will also show you any deployment history. This link, and the very last one is the actual applications. You can see here, I have it on my left side. This was the previous one before the changes. I refresh. You can see it has moved it back to H1, which is a smaller header. And as you can see, also the changes that we've made for version 5. And here's also for a little bit of dig. In order to show the prediction that was ran to the portal, as you can hear, it is actually running on port 443. And as I use the script here and I press enter, it will then provide us the prediction on here. As you can see, there's the port 433, and the prediction based on the codes that we built is here. And all is it's built based on the output that we built on the app that py here. Thank you.